Wait, what's he eating? What's he eating?
Dog treats.
Well, alright. Can you tell us how good the dog treats
They're
are?
really fucking dry.
Eat,
But
an-
how's the flavor?
eat another one.
I mean, like, the bacon strips are probably the second best.
He's a fan. He's a fan of the bacon
But
strips.
like, if you're gonna have to eat anyone, eat the pepperoni.
Alright, wait, how drunk or high are you at this point in the night?
I'm completely sober. I don't know what you're talking about. I live a straight up
Alright, let's
lifestyle.
do-
How about a little cookie?
This is fucking classic. I want another one. He's still eating them, guys. Like, he's at like 6 now. 7. I don't know. What the fuck is going on?
My dog's not gonna have anything else.
Your dog's not gonna have any cheese.
He has a mouthful of his cheeks. Look how pissed they are. You ate all their food.
I'm about to fall over, dude.
Oh my god.
I'm crying.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Oh, man, I'm fucked up. Run.
This is all over my story about it.
Oh my
Oh,
god,
God.
this is amazing.
Send it down.